Hey everybody, this is Dr. Paul Thomas with Plum Health DPC here in Detroit, Michigan. And today I'm talking with a very special person, Christina Zerka. She's a undergraduate student, only a freshman at this point, but she's doing some amazing things in terms of vaccine advocacy. So without further ado, Christina, welcome to the program today.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you having me, and I wanted to share this with everyone so that the word can spread out and hopefully we can get more people to take the vaccine, even if they might be resistant or uneducated about the problem.
Sure. I guess my question is like, what is Save Summer, right? Save Summer 2021 is the campaign, right?
Yes. So that is coming up. And by then, I am hoping that a lot of us, hopefully 70 to 85% of us, will be vaccinated so that we can achieve herd immunity. It's a campaign where I'm advocating for the vaccines, and I respect everyone's opinion, even if they don't want to take it. But it is something that I do believe if you are on the fence about or hesitant about, just do a little bit more research. Don't go off of someone's opinion from what you hear or something that you read on Facebook.
Okay. And so you've seen some vaccine hesitancy among people in your age group, like 18, 20, 22, people who are younger in college. What's their biggest concern with getting the vaccine at this point?
Yes. So there were actually several that were found out through a survey that I did through the university. First of all, people think that they're invincible when they're my age. They think that they're younger, don't need to take the vaccine. It's not going to affect me. Well, that might be true. That might not be true. And then also you're spreading it to other people. So you definitely do need to still take it. And then some of their main concerns were long-term side effects. But what most people don't know is that after 45 days, when a last dose in a trial is administered, you can actually see if there are going to be long-term side effects. And that's in all of vaccine history. So that is something most people are not aware about. And then the FDA actually waited 60 days for them to approve it for emergency use. So that is something most people don't know. And then the other thing was that the vaccines were made so fast. People were just like, this is impossible. Well, yes, we should actually be celebrating this miracle because of technological advancements and scientific advancements within the past few decades. So yes, those were the two main concerns, Doctor.
Sure. And then my big question is like, what kind of messaging is really effective for people your age to help them understand what's in the vaccine, how it can help them, how it's safe and effective, et cetera? What are some strategies that you've been able to employ to help your peers understand what the vaccine is all about?
Definitely. So I've done a mixture of emotional polling and factual polling. So when the first video came out, it was through like, this is what our life can be like. A lot of us, are stuck at home, not at college. We want to be in person, like making new friends and things like that. So it's like, if you want that kind of life again, we have to get vaccinated. So it's pulling on like post-pandemic life or pre-pandemic life, just showing us like concerts and things like that. Those were my strategies. And then also while educating them as well at the same time. If you guys have not checked out the video, please check it out, Save Summer 2021 on the website or on YouTube as well. And it's a 2-minute video or less. And then we also have people doing like videos just of themselves, like why they want to take the vaccine and why they think it's safe. And a lot of people's thing about why it's safe is that doctors are taking it themselves and they know a thing or two about medicine. So that's why we should trust and respect their opinion if they think it's safe.
Sure. So you're an aspiring medical student yourself, right? You're pre-medical at this point?
Yes.
That's awesome. So this is a really cool experience and kind of communication. There's a lot of communication education that we physicians do every day to help people understand different treatments, different disease, different pathologies, et cetera. So this is really cool experience for you. I'm really happy that you're taking on this work. I did want to ask you about something that's really cool about you. You were appointed to selected for the Youth Advisory Council for the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services. Did I get that right? Can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, so I'm a member of the Project Michigan Commission, which is a task advisory group towards the Governor Whitmer. It's an advisory task force group, and I'm a member of their youth advisory group, which is 30 and under, and then also their universities and colleges where they're there's like vice presidents of colleges and things of that nature.
Cool.
And they're doing a great job in obviously vaccine promotion. And I've shared the campaign with them. So hopefully that will be good on that end.
That's awesome. You guys meet up like every month and talk about, how things are going with youth outreach, or what does that look like?
Yeah. So in the meetings, we discuss like different things that are occurring with the vaccine rollout and things of that nature. We do meet, I think it's every 2 weeks for one, and then every 3 weeks along those lines. So pretty frequently. That's
great. Well, where can we find you online, or more about the Save Summer 2021 campaign online?
Yeah. So you can just go to savesummer2021.com. We're also really, really big on Instagram right now. We're actually going to be having a giveaway soon on Instagram. So follow the page for that. And then just all over social media. We're also going to be on the news, Fox 66, NBC 25, Mid-Michigan Now. We're in Flintside Magazine. And also for businesses, if they want to support this campaign, we have a thank you page for them. The Flint City Bucks is a USL League 2 soccer team. And then we also have businesses such as Dama Detroit, influencers and organizations also supporting the campaign. The biggest supporter and the best supporter is the Genesee County Health Department so far. They have totally backed this, and they put it on their website and social media platforms. But yes, we're all over the internet. So just search for us and keep an eye out.
Yeah, this is amazing work that you're doing. It's really difficult to reach everyone with the right information and the right messaging to help them understand what the vaccine's all about. So this is really commendable. I appreciate you taking the time today and talking with me, and best of luck in this really courageous effort.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Oh, you're welcome.